Most new developers fail because they try to be the hero. They try to be the architect, the project manager, and the QS. This is suicide. You are the CEO. Your job is strategy, capital, and deal flow. Everything else is execution. And execution requires a machine. Today I'm going to show you the exact power team structure you need in place before you even look at a deal. If you don't have these 4 people on speed dial, you are not a developer. You are a hobbyist. Player 1, the commercial architect. Not a house extension architect, a commercial architect. Someone who understands Class MA, fire regs, and space standards. A bad architect will draw a beautiful building that loses money. A good architect will draw a profitable building that gets built. You need someone who designs for value, not just for awards. Before we continue, quick apology for the interruption. But this is important. I use a tool called the Development Office Simulator to model every deal before I make an offer. It keeps me from overpaying. And it's the exact same model we teach inside the Academy, complete with full training. I've added a special download link below so you can grab it and start using it yourself. Alright, back to the video. Player 2, the planning consultant. Your architect draws the picture. Your planner fights the battle. They know the local policy. They know the Article 4 traps. They know the case officer's name. Do not let your architect submit the planning application alone. You need a specialist who speaks counsel. Their job is to get you the yes. Player 3, the Quantity Surveyor, QS. This is the most underrated player on the team. They tell you what the build will actually cost, not what the builder says it will cost. They manage the tender process. They sign off the monthly valuations. They are your shield against builder fraud. Never start a project without a QS. Player 4, the structural engineer. Can we take that wall out? Can we add a floor? The engineer gives you the answer. They are critical for feasibility. If you assume you can knock a wall down and you can't, your layout is dead. Get them in early. If this specific lesson on the Power Team Rolodex was useful to you, hit the like button. It tells me to teach more of this technical detail in future videos. We are currently assembling the next intake for the PCMA-ELITE fractional development team. We are looking for people who want to master this system while we help them build their first commercial conversion. You learn the craft, we guarantee the execution. If you have the capital and the commitment, click the link below and book a mutual fit assessment.